Good morning, YouTubers and stock Twitters and other traders. I am Bagadon, stockmarketcaddy.com. Today is November 19th and it's 10:22. How is your trading going this morning? Let us share with you our trading. Here's the entry date, 10/19. So everything is fired today. So if you were a member with us and you took the 5 minute signal, you wanted to trade 5 minutes, you would have gone short the ES and you'd be up 450, 60 some odd dollars. Now there's no real reason to come out of this trade. But if you wanted to take your 450, you could. If you were trading the 1 minute, you're up 412. The NQ, you'd be up 240 on the 5, 420 on the 1 minute. 1 minute's my favorite. These are futures contracts. This is the S&P. This is the NASDAQ. The Russell, you'd be up 145 on either. The Dow, 520 and or 420. Gold, 100 and 230. The U.S. Treasury, 406 and 375. The Euro, you'd be down $6 and 43.75. Oil, you'd be up 370 and or 50 on the 1 minute, and the dollar is basically flat. This is all today. This tells us how much we are up or down. This tells us the entry price. This tells us the T time. This tells us the entry date. This information helps us manage the trade, helps us stay in the trade longer. Many times, you can be in a good trade, you can be up 200, but if you come out and it goes on to make 1,000, that's not so good. So this is what keeps us in the trade, to stretch out and try to have positive outliers. We get any interruption in the trend, as we're seeing here on the downtrend, you could go ahead and say, hey, I'm going to take my $420. Now this column over here, you notice they're showing buy and sell, buy and fade tags. We call them tags because they're not green and they're not red. They're cyan and they're magenta. And they're telling us what the next best trade is. So if you just turned on your machine and you have swing machine on it, you know that the next best trade on a 5 minute is actually a buy. So you missed it. So you need to wait. And I don't know how long that wait will be. It could be 15 minutes. It could be 3 hours. It may not come in at all today. But that is the beauty of Swing Machine. She helps you get into the trade at the right time. She helps you manage the trade. And if you're not in the trade, she tells you what the next best trade is. Now you just need to have the discipline and the patience to wait, which is half the battle. Most people, commit themselves to intraday trading. They get a few hours a day and they want to trade. And they're not aware of what the market is really doing. And they get themselves in and then they have all kinds of problems. We can make our decisions purely from here. In fact, I can show you. Let me see if I can bring into view. This is our trading sheet. I'll bring this into view. This is our trading sheet just this week. We're up $750 as of today, from yesterday and today, and we've had 6 trades. Now it's not a huge amount of money, but it comes in lumps and bumps. And we've only had, we had 2 trades that lost, $50. Now if you can make just $200 a day, that's $4,000 a month. $500 a day is $10,000 a month. But you need consistency. You need, a discipline. And that's where Swing Machine comes into play. So We don't advertise, but if somehow, some way you found us, congratulations. If you'd like to spend an hour or two with me during the course of any day, feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263. The potential, I say the potential, is there for this software to be sitting on your computer. However, we do need to speak to each and every person. If you send us the money, we'll send it back. Try me. We don't accept everybody. Trading is not for everyone. And if your goals and objectives are, in our view, unrealistic and you don't have a modicum, well, I shouldn't say that because we have taken folks that have done no trading, but your expectations have to be real. So feel free to give me a call if you'd like to chat. I'm Bag of Don at Stock Market Caddy, and I'm just sitting here doing our trading, making some money, and I'm happy to chat with you. Thank you.